CVE-2021-21974 is a 2-year-old heap overflow vulnerability in VMware ESXi servers. It has been used in a massive ransomware campaign affecting hundreds of machines this year. A hacker on the same network with access to port 427 can exploit the vulnerability in the ESXi server. It affects VMware ESXi servers and enables remote code execution by an attacker, but it doesn't affect any Red Hat product. It can be patched with the update issued by VMware 2 years ago. It has been exploited in a ransomware attack called ESXiArgs, targeting unpatched VMware ESXi servers. To protect against attacks, ensure your ESXi servers are firewalled, have a backup solution in place, and restrict access to trusted IP addresses.